Okay, guys, please watch this video from the beginning to the end. I got an information that 85% of those that used VPN to do tasks on Tapswap, that they will lose their coin. 85%. If 85% of those that use VPN they will lose their coin, I think we all are involved. You get? So now, I'm doing this video now on how to clear your couch, so that where the IP address of your phone is being stored in that system, at least you will clear it. You understand? So you need to do three things. First of all, you uninstall the VPN you used, on that tap swap. Like me, I use SVPN. So you need to uninstall it. You get? Or first of all, clear the cache of this SVPN, the one you used. If you long press it, you go to app information. You get? Then you go to storage and cache. You click on it. You get? I've cleared my own. I cleared my own. I also cleared my storage. You understand? So after doing that, then you can uninstall it. You get? You can uninstall it. You get? Then you go to your phone storage, go to your settings, you long press, you go to app information. You get? You go to your storage also, storage and cache. You click on it. Then you clear your cache. Don't clear your storage. Oh. Don't clear your storage. You clear your cache. You get? Then after clearing it, then you now go to your Telegram, which is the main one. You get? This is your Telegram right here now. You long press it. You get? Then go to your app information also. Then go to storage and cache. Then you clear it. You clear it, guys, because I got this information. I also got the solution to it. So, guys, let's just watch and share this video so that we won't be victim of this, please.